How to change payment details on Temu app. First, open the Temu app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the U icon at the bottom of the screen. On the profile page, tap the settings icon at the top right corner. From the settings page, look for the Your Payment Methods option and tap on it. Here, you will see your saved payment methods. To change a payment method, you first need to remove the existing one. Tap the Edit option next to the payment method, then tap the Delete Card button and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the deletion process. Once the previous payment method has been deleted, you can add a new one by entering the card details carefully, then tap the Add Your Card button. And that's it. Your payment details have been successfully changed on Temu. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials.